Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to The Impeccable Investor. Penny stocks are common stock that trade on the stock market with a share price of under $5. These stocks from low-value businesses offer higher risk in return to their traders. Many of now well-known companies started off as penny stocks. People who invested early in companies like Ford Motor Company have been rewarded greatly, but since investing can be tricky, let us help you invest your money in penny stocks that are making over 100% plus returns. Number 1. GNC Holdings. GNC Holdings operates a well-known nutritional supplements retail chain popular across many malls and retail outlets. It's a brand you've probably bought or heard about before. Due to the global economic shutdown, retail locations haven't fared very well. As you must have already seen, many retailers have filed for bankruptcy or closed down business completely. But recently, GNC has gained momentum as more and more cities have eased restrictions. Shares have already continued their rally this week, reaching highs of $1.48 on Monday the 8th, seeing an increase of 104% since the start of June. The company was also proactive in taking steps to work their creditors and reached an agreement to extend the maturity on certain loans. Due to these negotiations with lenders, GNC was able to extend the springing maturity dates until the 10th of August 2020 for the term loan facility, revolving credit facility, and FILO credit facility. Now that economies across the U.S. have started reopening, hopefully GNC should start gaining some ground again. Number 2. Remark Holdings. Mark. Recently, Remark Holdings Incorporated has seen a large surge in trading volume, after having been on the move since April. The company first got exposure when Creative Realties Incorporated brought attention to the process of reopening, as things have started getting back to normal. Creative Realties offered a tech solution for thermal imaging. As per usual, investors started the lookout for sympathy plays related to the industry, and Remark Holdings just so happens to be one of these. Since then, Mark stock has been on the move. Things became more investing when an email apparently sent by Wynn Casino Las Vegas was seen on Twitter saying they were partnering up with Remark. Mark stock has climbed to $1.15 since the start of June after being priced at 56 cents on May 1st, showing an increase of 105%. There's no doubt that Remark has done a good job on social media, sending tweets mentioning Wynn and showing how the company is using its tech. Number 3. Curis Incorporated. Curis Inc's shares have been soaring high lately. On June 1st, Curis stock went from 83 cents to all the way up to $3.20. That's an increase of 285%. On June 10th, over 56 million shares were traded before noon, making it the highest volume in recent history. Curis develops drugs for oncology, and with several treatments underway, recently the company had reported a significant development that the FDA had cleared in its investigational new drug application for CI-8993. CI-8993 was developed as part of an agreement between Janssen Biotech Inc. and Immunext. Janssen started clinical development of CI-8993 in 2016 in a Phase 1 study. Now, Curis is hoping to initiate a Phase 1A/1B study of CI-8993 in the last half of 2020. James Denser, President and CEO of Curis, has stated that the clearance of their IND is a vital step in the progress of VISTA therapies, as CI-8993 is the first anti-VISTA antibody in development to enter clinical testing. We think you should have Curis stock on your list right now, and it would be a good idea to closely monitor the trend. Number 4. INUVO Inc. INUVO Inc. operates in the digital publishing and advertising industry. This penny stock was on many investors' watch at the start of June, since the market's attention on digital media and entertainment has been pretty consistent this year. INUVO stock at the time was priced at 50 cents. On the 18th of May, INUVO declared an increase of 300% in signing clients to run connected TV to send a signal to their intent key TM audience segments. The company's INUVO stock dropped after the announcement of a discounted offer of 45 cents per share. The shares saw a dip after this news. However, over the days, the stock has recovered and is back on track. The penny stock went up even higher, going above 80 cents after the offer closed in May. The company also recently announced that Intent Key can automatically detect customers who show an interest in contactless shopping. The AI possesses the ability to link various audience signals and as a result predict their intention. The technology can interpret millions of signals at the same time, and so it can direct the audience to get their desired online shopping experience. Number 5. IZEA Worldwide Inc. IZEA Worldwide Inc. penny stocks have been on the watch list since early May of 2020, and the stock has been gaining momentum since May 4th. Earlier, IZEA stock shares were trading at 31 cents, but that changed very quickly when its price unbelievably jumped to $3. From the very start, IZEA's main focus has been to expand and grow. And so, in May, they announced that they had formed relationships with Fortune 500 insurance company for their influencer marketing services. Along with that, it also further developed its relationships with a Fortune 100 food manufacturer and multi-billion-dollar furniture goods manufacturer. The company recently announced that 2 globally recognized retailers sent renewed commitments to it, a Fortune 500 company and a Fortune 10 company, and traders are looking forward eagerly to IZEA's special announcement in their conference call on June 18th. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on any of our videos in the future. Also watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.